Kakadosh Boker Tov. We're just continuing with Halachot of Rosh Hashanah. Here it's actually brought down to do with Selichot, that even according to the Minhag Ashkenazim, where they do not do Selichot the entire month of Elul, but they will start the Selichot, and they're going to have a minimum of 4 days beforehand. Here the Mishabura says, but the Ramah says, you're first going to get up, always they start on a Sunday before Rosh Hashanah. But if Rosh Hashanah comes out on a Tuesday, right, on a Monday or a Tuesday, they're going to start the week before, and then they're going to have more days. So here the Mishabura explains what's the reason why. He says because a lot of people, they have a minhag of even fasting during the Asara Yamim until Kippur, and therefore there's always going to be lacking days, because obviously of Rosh Hashanah, right, and Shabbat. So he comes and he says, Ululam yakhsiru arba yamim Rosh Hashanah Yom Kippurim, that they can't fast the 2 days of Rosh Hashanah, Shabbat Teshuvah, and Erev Kippur. So because you have to have 4 days, and they want to do 10 days of fasting, so in order to do fasting, so this is why the Ashkenazim will have to do minimum of 4 days before, so they will start 4 days already before Rosh Hashanah, and when they're doing the Selichot, they're going to be fasting, so therefore they're doing it with a broken heart. He says, however, though, there's another reason as well. He says another reason is the Korbanot, we always needed to do bikur beforehand, which means when you're going to bring a korban, a sacrifice, they always have to make sure that it's clean from any blemishes, that there's no blemishes, no move whatsoever. So he comes and he says, in all the korbanot of Parashat of Pinchas, it's written, V'ikravtem olah. On Rosh Hashanah, it's written, Ba'asitem olah. Why is it written by Rosh Hashanah? Ba'asitem, you have to make for yourself an olah, not you're just bringing close an olah. He says, to teach us on Rosh Hashanah, we have to make ourselves the olah. We have to bring ourselves to HaKadosh Baruch Hu. And therefore they came and they instituted that just like by Korban, you have to check 4 days before, we have to check ourselves also, minimum of 4 days before, and that's why they come and they will do minimum of 4 days before. Minhag of Ashkenazim, as brought down in the Mishabura, is to always wear a talit for the Selichot, and if it's going to be too early in the morning, for example, we do it, so they just would do it without a beracha. However, the minhag of Sfaradim is that we do not wear a talit unless it's going to be in the afternoon. If it's going to be in the afternoon, Rabbi Yosef says it's good to put on a talit, so a chovah, but it's good to do. But for our minhag, we never put on a talit if you're doing it in the morning, in the shmoret, in the boker.